have taught me that two people joined together with respect, trust, and open communication can be far stronger and happier than each could ever be alone.
You are the strength I didn't know I needed, and the joy that I didn't know I lacked.
Today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you.
I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light.
So I want you to take a few seconds and look into each other's eyes. Take it all in. Think about the happiness that you're feeling in this place, in this moment. Remember what brought you here. For Nicole, a chance moment when she complimented Robert's shoes. For Robert, a simple text message to continue a conversation. Now I want you to think about your life together in 20 years. Where are you? What are you doing?
I stand here proudly today. I'm excited to see both Rob and Nicole take the next step in their lives. I'm honored to be here speaking in front of you all, and I'm honored to be the best bro.
Uncle Rob, welcome to the family officially, even though you've been a part of our family for quite some time now. I hope you know what you signed up for. My sister, the baby of the family, always got a little extra special attention. You can thank Grandma Birdie for that.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side.
I can't believe that this day is finally here. We've grown so much together in the past 6.5 years. You're my person, the one I can trust, talk to about anything. You're the one that forgives me over and over again. You're the one that shows up for me, no questions asked.
I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple we will be together. You are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could ever imagine, and more loved than I ever thought possible. You look so pretty.
Baby.
Huh? I'm like sitting here like, holy crap, this fridge is about to break. No, don't do that. Stop. Seriously.
It's not gonna break.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, honey, you look candy.
Can you believe today's our wedding day? So weird.
Don't cry. You're gonna make me cry.
I know.
Today is a celebration of the love that Nicole and Robert have for each other. They knew that their future looked the brightest when they promised to share not just a home and a last name, but their minds and hearts with each other.
I promise to be patient and to remember that all things between us are rooted in love.
I promise to nurture your dreams and help you reach them.
I promise to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter the challenges that may come our way.
I promise to love you loyally and fiercely as long as I shall live.
I do now, by virtue of the authority invested in me, pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your beautiful bride. Please stand up and help me celebrate as I introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Robert and Nicole Mastromato.